it is not just Flint, Michigan. All over this country, we have major infrastructural problems with water, with transportation, with roads, bridges, etc. We can create 13 million good-paying jobs, putting our people to work, rebuilding our crumbling infrastructure. And then people say, well, Bernie, you're going to invest $1 trillion in roads and bridges and water systems. That's a lot of money. Where are you going to get the money? I'll tell you where we're going to get the money. Right now, this is how crazy this rigged economy is. Right now, you have corporations making billions of dollars a year in profit, stashing their money in the Cayman Islands, Bermuda, and other tax havens, and in a given year, after making billions in profit, they pay zero in federal taxes. Well, under my